And we're still in Cambridge Common, where I did bird swing. I'm approaching the tree. Here is bird swing, and right next to it, I made bug ladder. I decided to do this because I was left with a piece of the stick I used for bird swing, and it had broken off in class, so I had just stuck it onto the tree trunk in the creases. And looking at it for like half an hour, looking at the swing and that stick, I decided to make a ladder with other sticks found on the ground. So here it is. It's bug ladder, and I'm hoping it will provide recreation for bugs. I also stuck the rest of the flowers that Midge gave us for aesthetic and also to point out both works. I had put the flowers right after finishing bird swing. I then decided to make the ladder in between the two other flowers. So it's a little place for bugs and birds and any other animal that wants to take advantage of it, and I was careful to use materials that fit the environment, and using all natural materials except for the yarn. This will not harm the environment in any way if it falls. And yes, as you can see, this class really inspired me to do things, artistic creations for the environment. Thank you.